In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Voice Assistant in Gemini. By the end, you'll be able to speak your questions and have Gemini respond, hands-free and hassle-free. First, open the Gemini website in your browser. Give the page a second to load, then look toward the input area for a small microphone icon. If you see it, click the mic. The first time you do this, your browser will ask for permission to use your microphone. When that prompt appears, click Allow. This is essential. Without permission, Gemini can't hear you. As soon as you allow access, you should be ready to talk. Speak clearly at a normal pace and try to reduce background noise for best results. Pause briefly after your question so Gemini knows you're done, and you'll see or hear the response just like a typed query. If you don't see this microphone icon, or if clicking it doesn't trigger the permission prompt, you likely need to enable the microphone at the site level. Look at the top of your browser window for the address bar. Click the small lock icon next to the website address. A site settings panel will open. Find the microphone option and change it to Allow. This tells your browser that Gemini is permitted to access your mic whenever you're on this page. After you've set the microphone to Allow, refresh the page so the change takes effect. When the page reloads, look again for the mic icon and click it. If everything is set correctly, you'll be prompted to start speaking, or you'll see a visual indicator that the mic is listening. Ask your question out loud and wait for Gemini to respond. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure your microphone isn't muted on your device, and try to face the mic when you speak. If you previously denied access by accident, switching the microphone setting to Allow from the lock icon and refreshing usually fixes it immediately. And remember, the permission decision is saved by your browser, so you should only have to allow it once per site. That's all there is to it. Open the Gemini website, click the mic, allow microphone access, and start speaking. If the mic option doesn't appear, use the lock icon in the address bar, set microphone to Allow, refresh the page, and you're good to go. Enjoy using Gemini with your voice.